So in this video we're going to install the Anyconnect plugin, which will give umbrella protection using the Anyconnect mobility client. So the steps we're going to follow: we're going to Google and find the documentation. We're then going to download the pre-deployment package from the Cisco website and unzip it on our PC where we can find it. We're going to download the JSON file, which will give us our user-specific umbrella information, and that's coming from the umbrella dashboard. We're then going to run the Windows installer and install the core and VPN modules and the umbrella roaming client modules. We're then going to move the JSON file into the correct location, checking the documentation to see where that is, and then hopefully that should all work and we should then just be able to test the platform. So to find the documentation, just Google umbrella Anyconnect install and select the umbrella documentation on the Google search. There it is. And this will give you the admin guide for the umbrella. So next we need the packages from the Cisco website, cisco.com/go/support. Find the support and download section down under security. Scroll down to find the Anyconnect mobility client. And then select the downloads, hop into the software download center, pick the version of Anyconnect you're looking to try and install, and download the pre-deployment package. So now we need the JSON file, which is downloadable from the umbrella dashboard. So here's the dashboard. If you go down onto the roaming clients, roaming computers, into the download the roaming client section, there you'll see the plugin profile, the JSON file for the Anyconnect mobility client. So click to download that one. And there's the standalone roaming clients if you wanted to have a play with those. They're covered in a separate video. So now we're going to run the installer and install Anyconnect. So you'll notice I've already unzipped those downloads and I've popped them here so I can see where they are. So I'm just going to now run setup, selecting the core and the VPN modules. I'm going to leave the AMP enabler turned on because I want to play with that at another point. So now I'm going to hit install and install that package. And now we need to move the JSON file that we downloaded into the correct location so that the umbrella dashboard knows which roaming client it is. So just grab that JSON file and copy it. Now I'm going to just find that odd location, so I always have to check the documentation for to get it in the right place. It's a hidden program data file, so if you just type it in you can find that. Paste the file into the umbrella folder, and then next time that the client starts it will know where it's going to go back to. So let's see the umbrella client connecting back to the dashboard. So if I just start my Anyconnect client, here it is, just drag it over. You can see that it's actually started and the umbrella is actually already protecting. Notice however that the VPN is not connected. So let's go into those settings and show you. So there's the VPN, notice it's disconnected. And if I go into the roaming security, you can see that I'm protected and there's my computer name. So let's go and look at that in the dashboard. Down under roaming computers, there you'll see my computer name matching what's on my client.